2001, right? 2001. Look at, says alpha beta are the roots of x squared plus px plus 1 equals 0. Two roots of this equation are alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the two roots, and they are given the equation x squared plus 1 over px plus 1 equals 0. Two roots are gamma and delta. Right. All of you know, if the quadratic equation considered is ax squared plus bx plus c. Right? The quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A1 equals 0, A, B, C belongs to real. If the two roots are alpha and beta, alpha plus beta equals minus b over a, alpha beta equals c over a. All of you know this theory, right? It's easy. So shall I find alpha plus beta, addition of two roots of the first equation? Alpha plus beta equals minus b. Coefficient of x is p minus p. Coefficient of x squared is 1, so it's minus p. And alpha beta, what is alpha beta? C over a is 1. Similarly, gamma plus delta, it equals minus 1 over p over 1 is minus 1 over p. Gamma delta is 1. Correct? This way I can take addition and multiplication of two roots of given two equations. Right? I wrote multiplication of two roots and addition of two roots for the given two quadratic equations. I wrote multiplication of two roots, addition of two roots of these two equations as they are given. They said alpha and beta are the two roots of the first equation, and gamma and delta are they are given gamma and delta, they are the two roots of, they said x squared plus 1 over px plus 1 equals 0 has two roots called gamma and delta. So I wrote addition of two roots and multiplication of two roots according to the basic theory you studied. Right? What you have to do next? They ask us to show that alpha minus gamma, beta minus gamma into alpha minus gamma, beta minus gamma, alpha minus delta, beta minus delta. I think this simple A must alpha, right? Okay, you have to show that this equals, the given answer, right? Gamma square plus b gamma plus 1, delta square plus b delta plus 1. you have to show that this equals gamma square plus p gamma plus 1 into delta square plus p delta plus 1. You have to show that this simplification equals this, right? Okay, so let's take the left hand side of the given equation and let's try to get the right hand side by substituting those values we obtained previously for the addition of two roots and multiplication of two roots, right? Okay, I'm going to take these two brackets, I'm going to simplify these two brackets and next these two, right? First two, second these last two brackets. Simplify. Alpha beta minus alpha gamma minus gamma beta plus gamma square. Let's expand alpha beta minus alpha delta minus delta beta plus delta square. I simplified these two. I removed these brackets. I removed these brackets and obtained this result. As well as I removed these two brackets and got the last result. You all know alpha beta. From these two, there's a chance to take gamma as common factor, right? Let's take gamma as common factor. Then, right? Once you have taken gamma as common factor minus gamma, alpha plus beta remain plus gamma square. Alpha beta keep it. From these two take delta, alpha plus beta remain plus delta square. We need two brackets anyhow because the right hand side is similar to this, right? It doesn't include alpha beta terms. So substitute for alpha beta and alpha plus beta, addition and multiplication of two roots. Alpha beta is 1 minus gamma, alpha plus beta, you know it's minus p plus gamma square. Alpha beta is 1, delta into alpha plus beta, it's minus p plus delta square. Okay, let's write down gamma square plus p gamma plus 1 from this delta square plus p delta plus 1. We got the result, right? I simplified the left hand side and obtained the answer as they asked in the question 2001. Right? Finally, they asked to show this equals. Okay, finally they asked us to show this equals. Finally, they asked us to show this equals p minus 1 over p square. Right? We'll do that. Right. I think you all understood the simplification of the first part of the question in 2001. Right? If you have any doubt, WhatsApp me, ask me, call me anyhow. Solve your problem, right? Right? Is that clear? I think so. Here I simplified first two brackets and last two brackets, right? Simplified first two brackets and it includes delta square, gamma square because in the answer it includes gamma square. So I have seen that. That's why I have taken first two brackets to take the result, right? I consider first two brackets and expand it, right? Okay, similarly second two brackets. In second two brackets, I have seen it include delta square, right? Minus delta into minus delta, delta square. So the given answer include those values in the brackets, right? First and second, right? Gamma square, delta square. Include gamma square. Therefore, I simplified this and in there I have seen gamma can be taken as common factor from these two and it include alpha plus beta, so I have seen alpha plus beta, I found alpha plus beta. At the beginning it means alpha plus beta equals minus p, initially I got that, right? And I substituted that result and obtained the first bracket. Similarly, I simplified the second bracket. It's not a big task, right? It's easy. We'll see how you can get the last part, right? Last part. Finally, they ask us to show alpha minus gamma, beta minus gamma, alpha minus delta, beta minus delta equals p minus 1 over p square. You have to show that. Anyway, we know this multiplication equals to gamma square plus p gamma plus 1 into delta square plus p delta plus 1. We prove it. I proved that this equals this. Right? That's what I have done here, right? At the beginning. Okay. Is that clear, Buddha? Yes, I think so. So how you can get, how you can remove this delta and gamma, right? Next we have to remove delta and gamma to obtain this equals p minus 1 over p whole to the power 2. So I can consider this side, right? Okay. Consider yes, before that, this is gamma square p gamma plus 1. You know gamma is a root of this. That is the way how you should simplify this. That is the easiest way to get the solution, right? You know gamma is a solution of this equation. Since gamma is a solution of x squared plus 1 over px plus 1 equals 0. Gamma and delta are, since gamma, delta are solutions of yes. Substitute gamma square plus 1 over p gamma plus 1 equals 0 and delta square plus 1 over p delta plus 1 equals 0. From this you can substitute gamma square plus 1. It is minus 1 over p gamma. Delta square plus 1, this equals minus 1 over p delta. Correct? Yes, you are getting these two, gamma square plus 1 and delta square plus 1 from this. You consider gamma square plus p gamma plus 1 into delta square plus p delta plus 1. I consider the right hand side of the previous equation. Now there is a possibility to substitute for gamma square plus 1. As in, I subtracted gamma square plus 1 from the previous y because gamma and delta are the solutions of this equation. Right? If gamma and delta are the solutions of this equation, definitely it must satisfied by gamma and delta. That's what I have done. Got it? Right. I consider this equation. Right. So since gamma and delta are the solutions of this, these two can be written. I can substitute gamma square to this equation. Definitely it must satisfy because gamma and delta are the solutions of this equation. If gamma and delta are the solutions of this equation, definitely it must satisfied by gamma and delta. Correct? Gamma and delta. So I substituted, I satisfied it and got gamma square plus 1. It equals I took this midterm to right hand side. Gamma square plus 1 minus 1 over p gamma. From this delta square plus 1, I took delta square plus 1. It equals minus 1 over p delta. Is that clear, brother? Yes. For this gamma square plus 1, okay, next substitute minus 1 over p gamma. Minus 1 over p gamma plus p gamma. Because 1 plus gamma square, I substituted for these two, first and last term. Addition of first and last terms equals minus 1 over p gamma. Addition of first one and last one equals minus 1 over p delta plus p delta. From this, just take gamma as common factor, p minus 1 over p. From this, take delta as a common factor, p minus 1 over p. Gamma delta p minus 1 over p square all the power 2. P minus 1 over p into p minus 1 over p. P minus 1 over p into p minus 1 over p. It is p minus 1 over p square. And gamma delta, I wrote it in front. You all know gamma delta, you calculated. That is because of the multiplication of two roots of the second equation. T equals 1. So gamma delta equals 1. 1 into p minus 1 over p square. So it equals p minus 1 over p all the power 2. Therefore, this whole multiplication equals p minus 1 over p square. This whole multiplication equals p minus 1 over p square. So I got the final result as they asked us to prove in the question, right? Yes, that's what they asked. I think you all understood the nature, how it varies. It means how I substituted, how I started, what the question, all right? Got it? Okay. If you have any doubt, WhatsApp me, call me. Anyway, in any method, it's your responsibility to solve your doubt or problem, right? But you all understood, you all got this. This is 2001. Do it quickly.